Hello everyone, we are Team Rax and today we will be talking about our innovative idea, which is the Portable Air Quality Monitor. This directly supports the objectives of SDG 3.
To start, let's have a little bit of introduction to our problem statement. What exactly is air pollution? Air pollution is when harmful gases, smoke, or particles contaminate the air. Now, what causes pollution? It is mainly caused by human activities, such as carbon emissions from vehicles, from factories, and open burning. However, it can also be caused by a natural phenomenon, like volcanic eruptions and wildfires. Now, why exactly is air pollution harmful? Air pollution is harmful because it causes millions of premature deaths annually, and it is the largest environmental health risk globally. Exposure to air pollution is linked to cardiovascular diseases like heart attacks and strokes, respiratory illness such as asthma, various cancers, and even diabetes. Vulnerable populations, including children, the elderly, and pregnant women, are especially at risk, and the problem disproportionately affects low and middle income countries. Air pollution has been an ongoing problem in many countries in the Southeast Asia region, and Malaysia is one of the worst affected. Lately, Malaysia has experienced severe haze episodes driven by forest and peatland fires in Indonesia, especially in Sumatra and Kalimantan, which are the main source. Let me explain how this works. Winds carry the smoke across borders to Malaysia and Singapore. This is called transboundary haze. Now, why exactly is this bad? It's bad because it causes respiratory problems such as asthma, cough, lung infections, and eye irritations. However, it also causes school closures, flight delays, and economic losses due to poor outdoor working conditions. Now, let's dissect the causes of air pollution even further. Firstly, it is caused by primary pollutants. These are directly released from the pollution sources. Examples of primary pollutants include carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, and particulate matter. So where exactly do they come from? Firstly, they come from transportation, then stationary source fuel combustion, industrial processes, and solid waste disposal. Secondly, air pollution can also be caused by secondary pollutants. Now, what exactly is secondary pollutants, you might ask? It refers to harmful substances formed in the atmosphere when primary pollutants or other gases and sunlight undergo chemical reaction. Unlike primary pollutants, which are emitted directly from the sources like vehicles or power plants, secondary pollutants are created indirectly. Examples of secondary pollutants include ground-level ozone, formed from nitrogen oxide and hydrocarbons in sunlight, and acid rain, resulting from sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide reacting with water in the atmosphere.
So how do we combat this? We came up with the Portable Air Quality Monitor. It can provide help in real time, location-specific data on air pollution, and it enables informed decisions for personal health, safety, and environmental protection. Other than that, it also has a secondary feature, that is the portable air purifier. Aside from detecting harmful gases in the air, it can also help purify the air for the user. Now let me explain how it works. It has a particulate matter sensor that detects fine dust and smoke. It works by using a laser or infrared light. The particles in the air scatter the light, and the sensor measures how much is scattered, and it tells you how polluted the air is. It also has gas sensors that detect harmful gases like CO2, CO, NO2, or VOCs. These sensors change their electrical resistance when exposed to gases, giving a reading of concentration. There are 3 layers to the purifying part. It uses a HEPA filter, an activated carbon filter, and a small fan to trap dust and gases. It is also very convenient, as users, such as students or commuters, can use it during the haze. They can clip it onto their bags or their desks. As it is portable, you can bring it wherever you go. This makes it extremely easy for people to protect themselves from harmful gases during the haze.